So someone sent me this Beth Hart DVD, okay? And believe it or not, I still collect DVDs. When I was young, I used to work at, DVD stores like Blockbuster thing. Not Blockbuster, but stores like that. And it was one of my favorite jobs because I was a movie buff. So I still like the nostalgia of having the physical copy of my favorite movies, but I haven't got a chance to check this one out. But what I can do is review a Beth Hart record here, which is Beth Hart, Caught Out in the Rain. Now, I haven't heard this. You guys are about to go on that journey with me shortly. Before we get into it, if you like this type of content, do me a big favor and like the video. If you want to stay up to date whenever I post, subscribe and hit that notification bell. Let's get into it. Check 1, 2. All right. Let's go. Start that again. Oh my gosh. That's good. Love the intro. Love it. Oh my gosh. Just the opening of this record, I gotta give it to you. Hell of an intro. I like this atmospheric vibe that it has. I love just in general the way that this starts off. I got a good feeling this is going to be a good one. This is the best thing I've heard from Beth Hart. Oh my gosh. And that lady can perform. All right. I've seen her perform on stage. Really sexy. My goodness. But this is a vibe.
I'm already there. And it ain't nobody's business.
Gosh. Love the keys in this.
Every time he walks out the door, I wonder if he's ever coming back. I can't help but love the taste of danger, babe, and the how and the wind and the rough in his hands. I got caught out in the rain. If I die, I don't care. I'm in love. I'm in love. I'm in love with this man. I got caught out in the rain. I heard him crying in his
Just an absolute masterpiece. All right. I mean, I've been getting chills through this entire track. The guitar, the keys, what she chose to do with her vocals in this record is mind blowing. I don't have a playlist quite like this with this type of sound. This reminds me of like those cheesy 90s love movie sex scene type of vibe or whatever. So I didn't. But for this one, it's different. Okay. Just an amazing record. This wasn't a request from anyone. This was just a song that I picked, or whatever, because someone was nice enough to send me a DVD. So I'm like, maybe we should do a little bit more Beth Hart within this channel here. But yeah, let's keep it going. Definitely going in the forerunner. I can tell you that before the video even ends.
I got caught out in the rain. I heard him crying in his sleep last night. No man wants to be told that he been crying. When he wakes up, I tell him it's gonna be alright. But I know that he knows that I'm just lying. I heard he shot a man down in the street, and he tore his soul apart. Last night when he was making love to me, there was another woman in his heart. I got caught out in the rain. If I die, I don't care. I'm in love. I'm in love with this man. I got caught out in the rain.
Such a powerful voice that just cuts right through you, and she goes from power to being sultry and sexy and like that. Okay, I love that about her performance, full of soul.
In the rain.
Okay, so that's John Nicholas playing the guitar here. My goodness, shout out to that dude. Beautiful. Love the solos here, the arrangement, the sound of the guitar for this record, the sound of the drums every time it hits. Just a really powerful record. And full of style. bass line here. Groove. You know, this is so far out of the realm of what I would normally listen to. I've always been aware of this type of vibe, but in my mind, I always thought that this was kind of cheesy. You know, as someone who loves a nice, sexy record, okay, a beautiful record that you can put on with that loved one. And I have tons of music that I listen to that I have for that occasion, or just when I want to be in that type of mindset. But maybe it's because I'm in my 40s, I don't know, I'm getting old, that this sounded like a masterpiece to me, all right? Absolute amazing record. I love what she does with her voice in this, because she can go from being soft, sexy, to cutting right through you with those vocals. And I love her style, her unique style, and the way she does her runs and things of that nature. The guitar work for this was amazing as well. That's why I had to stop and look it up. I should do that every video, really. I should just look up all the band members and and read it out. But sometimes I just press play. You know, I do what I feel. But for this one, I had to know who was playing the guitar for this one, and the drums as well, which just an amazing record overall, and something I would definitely listen to in the forerunner. If you just so happen to be a Beth Hart fan, let me know what record you think I might enjoy next in the comment section below, or just this vibe in general. If there's an artist you think that's similar to this that you think I might enjoy, leave that in the comment section as well. Shout out to the person that sent in this Beth Hart DVD. You know, I appreciate it. You know, I don't know when I'll have time to watch it, but I keep it on my desk to remind me and whatnot, because I'll totally forget. But I enjoyed this. Hope you guys enjoyed my reaction to it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell if you want to stay up to date whenever I post. If you want to support the show further than that, you can buy me a coffee in the link below and tell me what you think of the channel, or leave a request of what I should check out next there. Hit me up on Patreon if you want to talk to me directly and catch content that doesn't make my YouTube channel. I appreciate you guys for watching, and I appreciate your time. Peace.
I did it.